Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
All right, everyone, it's time for another practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zap Siu. And let's talk about something practical again. That's why it's called practical Hakka. We always, or not always, but a lot of times we have to take the taxi or mass transportation. Okay? 常常我们要做一些交通工具，包括计程车 taxi. 客家话是这样说吗？
机场茶
就计程车。机场茶。
像我们海陆腔说给洋茶。
真的给洋茶。Let's start off with the taxi driver. The taxi driver is going to ask you, where do you want to go? 这是问讲会问的话了。你要去哪里？
请问我要去哪里？
请问我要去哪里？
Yeah.
That means where are you going?
Yeah.
Okay. 因为现在很多人都会坐计程车，可能到捷运站，
对，
然后再坐捷运更省钱，对不对？ So 可能我要去圆山捷运站好了。Okay, I want to go to the 圆山 MRT.
我要去。
我要去 That means I want to go.
圆山捷运茶头。
哇，圆山
捷运茶头就是车站。
捷运茶头 That means I want to go to 圆山 MRT. And when you get in a taxi, sometimes you're in a hurry. 然后呢，我们会跟这个问讲说快一点，请开快一点哦。所以请开快一点，我赶时间怎么说？
呛死夹掉诶。
呛死夹掉诶，是请快一点的。
请开快一点。
请开快一点 OK。
时间会付不到嘞。
这后面是要讲什么？
我时间来不及
了。OK, that's a good line right there.
时间会付不到嘞。
时间会付不到嘞。That means I'm really in a hurry. All right. But sometimes you get into a taxi and it is a nightmare. 有的时候进这个问讲呢，他们开车很会飙车，会怕呢，怕呢。
哎呀，
就是说，请开慢一点 ，Please slow down sometimes, right?
呛死慢点喂。
呛死慢点喂。Okay, that means, again, slow down a little bit. So there you go. Some terms you can use when you take the taxi. 计程车，再讲一次。
机场茶。
机场茶 OK, 不是要去吃洋茶哦。
海陆腔。给长茶。
给长茶。
也有人会讲快一点就变给行茶。
给行茶也是 taxi. All right, there you have it. Some Hakka taxi terms for you on today's show. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺自谁常来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.